Have you ever wondered how some cruisers always seem to enjoy the best cabins while paying the same price as everyone else? It's not magic, nor is it just sheer luck. It's all about knowing the right strategies. And that's exactly what we're going to explore today. Imagine stepping onto a magnificent cruise ship, knowing that you're heading to a luxurious, top-tier cabin. That's the experience Sam, our regular cruiser, enjoys each time he sets sail. Sam isn't a millionaire. He's not a celebrity. He's just like you and me. Yet he consistently secures the best cabins on the ship. Cabin upgrades can enhance your cruising experience in ways you've never imagined. From breathtaking views to extra room and top-notch amenities, an upgraded cabin can transform your trip into a dream vacation. So, how does Sam do it? Let's uncover the secrets to Sam's success and learn how you too can cruise like a VIP. Sam's first secret: he books early. You see, the key to securing the best cabin on your dream cruise is as simple as being an early bird. Booking your cruise as soon as possible gives you the most options for cabin selection. You'll have the luxury of picking from a wide range of cabins, even those coveted ones that sell out fast. The best part? It significantly boosts your chances of an upgrade. Imagine being able to choose between a cabin with an ocean view or one with a private balcony, rather than settling for what's left. Picture yourself sipping your morning coffee as the sun rises over the ocean, all from the comfort of your upgraded cabin. Cruise lines often reward early bookers with promotional offers and upgrades. They love passengers who plan ahead, just like Sam. So mark your calendars and set your alarms, because the early bird really does catch the worm. Flexibility. That's Sam's second strategy. You see, cruising like a VIP isn't about being rigid. It's about being adaptable, and that starts with your travel dates. You may have your heart set on that week in July, but can you consider cruising in May or September instead? Off-peak seasons often see fewer passengers, and cruise lines are more likely to offer upgrades to fill up those premium cabins. Not only can you snag that balcony view you've been dreaming of, but you'll also avoid the crowds. And don't forget about last-minute deals. If you're able to pack up and set sail on short notice, cruise lines may offer you fantastic upgrades just to fill their remaining cabins. So, if you can be a bit flexible with your travel plans, you might find yourself sipping champagne on the deck of a suite instead of the standard cabin. Remember, flexibility can be your ticket to a luxury upgrade. Sam's third secret: he's a people person. Now, this is an underrated strategy, but often it's not what you know, but who you know that makes the difference. Building relationships can be a game changer. Imagine this: you're on a cruise and you've made a good impression on the cruise line staff. You've been polite, friendly, and appreciative of their hard work. You've also maintained a good relationship with your travel agent, staying loyal to them over the years. Now, when an opportunity for an upgrade arises, who do you think they'll think of first? That's right, it's you. These relationships can open doors to opportunities you wouldn't have had otherwise. So don't just see your travel agent or the cruise line staff as service providers. See them as potential allies. Remember, a little kindness goes a long way in making your cruise experience unforgettable. Never underestimate the power of a friendly conversation. Loyalty. It's not just for dogs. It's Sam's fourth strategy. In the world of cruising, loyalty truly does have its rewards. Imagine being a repeat customer, returning time and time again to the same cruise line. This steadfast loyalty doesn't go unnoticed. Cruise lines love to reward their loyal customers. They do this through loyalty programs, where you can accumulate points with each cruise you take. These points can then be redeemed for perks, and yes, you guessed it, cabin upgrades. The more you cruise, the more points you earn, and the better your chances of securing that coveted upgrade. It's a win-win situation. You get to enjoy your favorite cruise line, and they get to show their appreciation in the form of upgrades and perks. So, stick with your favorite cruise line and reap the rewards. Sam's fifth secret: he's a master negotiator. Now you might be thinking, I'm no salesperson, how can I negotiate? But don't worry, you don't have to be a seasoned haggler to get an upgrade. It's all about communication, understanding, and compromise. First, be clear about what you want. Do you desire a cabin with a better view, more space? Make sure you articulate your needs. Second, understand that cruise lines want happy customers. They're more likely to accommodate you if they can. Third, be willing to compromise. Maybe the suite you want isn't available, but a slightly smaller one is. Would you take it? If so, let them know. Lastly, be respectful and patient. Negotiation is a two-way street. It's not about demanding, but finding a solution that works for both parties. So keep your cool, and remember, You catch more flies with honey than vinegar. Remember, the art of negotiation can open doors you never knew existed. And Sam's sixth strategy, he's always ready for a last-minute deal. It's like a game of chess, where the kings and queens are the coveted cabin upgrades. These opportunities often arise when cruise lines have unsold premium cabins as the departure date approaches. They're eager to fill these spaces, and that's when they might offer you an upgrade at a significantly reduced price. It's a win-win situation. They get their cabins filled, and you get a taste of luxury without breaking the bank. However, there's a catch. This strategy requires a dash of bravery and a pinch of patience. You need to be ready to pounce when the opportunity presents itself, and that might mean waiting until the 11th hour. But if you're willing to take the risk, the reward can be a cabin upgrade that transforms your cruise experience. So keep your eyes open, because a great deal could be just around the corner. Sam's seventh secret? He gives feedback. You see, feedback is a powerful tool in any industry, and the cruise world is no exception. It's not just about compliments and complaints, but genuine, constructive feedback. Whether it's about the fantastic dining experience you had last night, or a suggestion on how they might improve the onboard entertainment, it's all valuable. Feedback shows you're engaged, that you care about the experience, and it helps the cruise line to improve. It's a win-win. More importantly, it makes you memorable. The next time you book, they'll remember the passenger who helped us improve our cocktail menu, or the cruiser who suggested the movie night. And who knows, that could just tip the scales in your favor when it comes to securing that coveted cabin upgrade. So never underestimate the power of your words. Remember, your opinion matters. And the eighth and final secret, sometimes upgrades just happen. Yes, you heard it right. It's the wild card in the world of cruising, the surprise upgrade. It's the moment when, for no rhyme or reason, you're suddenly gifted with a room upgrade. Perhaps it's the cruise line's way of spreading a little unexpected joy or making up for an unforeseen inconvenience. The key here is to always be prepared for the unexpected. It's like the cherry on top of your vacation sundae. You're cruising along, enjoying your voyage, and then bam! You're handed the keys to a better cabin with a sweeping ocean view or a larger living space. Remember, these surprise upgrades aren't guaranteed, but they do happen. They're the cruise line's way of saying, "We appreciate you, enjoy the rest of your journey." So next time you're on a cruise, don't forget to keep an open mind and be ready for a pleasant surprise. So there you have it, the 8 secrets to cruising like a VIP. We've unveiled the strategies that can upgrade your cabin and elevate your cruising experience. Starting with the importance of being an early bird to understanding the power of flexibility. We highlighted the value of building relationships and how loyalty can pay off in the most rewarding ways. We discussed the art of negotiation and the thrill of last-minute deals. And lastly, the power of feedback and the joy of surprise upgrades. Now it's your turn to put these strategies into action. On your next cruise, try these tips and see the difference they make. We'd love to hear about your experiences. Did you land a surprise upgrade or did loyalty pay off? Let's create a community of savvy cruisers, sharing tips and stories. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on how to make the most of your cruising experience. Safe travels and happy cruising!